Beyond the grade, why the top student can't speak. Scene, a montage of shots showing a library. We see Elena, the top of her class. Red ink circles 100% on her essays. She is the perfect student. We all knew an Elena in school, the one with the high marks and the perfect grammar. She treated English like an academic subject, a puzzle of rules to be solved on paper. But as the graduation caps flew, Elena realized she had fallen into a trap. Scene. Elena walks across a stage, grabs her diploma, and steps onto a busy city street. She looks intimidated by the noise. In the real world, English isn't a test. It's a practical skill, like a sport or a musical instrument. Elena's brain was a library of isolated vocabulary lists, but her speaking muscles were completely untrained. Scene. Elena sits in a high-pressure job interview. She is sweating. The interviewer asks a simple question. This was the moment of truth. Elena knew the answer, but her mouth began a slow, uttered, painful mental translation from her native language. She of the right words, one by one. She got stuck on a single verb. She couldn't process the idea, and the conversation mumbled and broken. She felt the stomach knots of nervousness, making it impossible to think clearly. Scene. Elena is back home, looking frustrated in the mirror. She opens her laptop, focusing on Uncle Canada Speaks English. She realized she had to train her mouth, not her brain. She followed Canada Uncle's speech training and started learning language chunks, big pieces of phrases and ideas that she could swap instantly in a conversation. She began talking as Canada Uncle showed her, mimicked Canada Uncle's speech aloud to build her mouth stamina, forcing her tongue to connect sounds smoothly. Scene. A new interview. Elena looks calm. She leans forward, gesturing naturally. Now, Elena doesn't just speak. She communicates her ideas well, in blocks. She simplifies her thoughts into an impactful core idea. She doesn't just give facts. She proves her ideas with a foundation and connects to the interviewer through emotion, not trying to memorize individual words. Scene. Elena shakes the interviewer's hand with a confident smile. She walks out of the office, now a pro. Elena didn't need more school. She needed Canada Uncle videos on YouTube and train for the real world. She stopped being a student of English and started being a speaker of it. All thanks to the Canada Uncle Speaks English YouTube channel. And did I mention it is free? See you there!